right, Darren, tell us about your 1977 YZ125.
How's it going, guys? Yeah, this is freshly rebuilt. Just finished it last month. Very thankful that I was able to learn from Robert Fish, a friend of mine that lives in Black Diamond. He's kind of a known YZ restorer. It only took about 2 months from absolutely frame out, cases out. Everything's been split open. It's 100% new. I did the frame, everything in black, the cylinder head. But yeah, it's got original front fender, rear fender. The gas tank's been restored, but that's all original pieces. The side plates are repop. The seat covers from Canada. Robert went through, took 2 engines, literally mic'd every single gear, every shaft. We had the crankshaft rebuilt by Maury, the wheelmaster. Robert put a lot of time and effort into it. I learned a lot. It's fun. Got bigger forks on the front end, new tire in the rear. That's actually an old tire. It's just in good shape, so I decided to keep it. But yeah, so it's got some suspension components out of IT-175 for the rear shock that goes up into the frame. Put the correct carburetor on it. It's an aftermarket silencer. And other than that, yeah, it's all fresh. We just wanted to bring it down and let people enjoy it. We'll get it dirty soon enough, but yeah, now it's time to show people and have a good time,
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, we should have some good sunny weather. Looks like it's going to be 70 degrees on Saturday, so if you're going to bring a bike down, please try and be here by 9:45. That way we can roll it in, and we'll have a award ceremony at 2 o'clock. Be a good time.
Thanks, Darren.
Yep.
Appreciate it.